Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Pixit Pro for calibration, annotation. Prepare the micrometer. Place it under the 4x objective lens. Let's get started. Setting up calibration. Open Pixit Pro. Click on the calibration button in the measurement toolbar. Choose a distance on the micrometer scale. Fill in name as for X. Enter the actual distance in the actual length field. Select the unit M. Click Add. Select the 4x calibration ruler to perform accurate measurements. Click Calibration. Select a measurement and input the actual value and unit. Save the calibration. Choose the 10x ruler for inspection and measurement. Follow the same steps as above to save the calibration for 40x. Use the set calibration to inspect and measure. Repeat the calibration steps for 100x magnification. Save and apply the calibration for precise measurements. Measurement and annotation. Click the scale bar button and set the style. Click Confirm to add it to the image. Click the Select button and choose the scale bar. Open the font settings to adjust the font style, size, and other text properties. Select the scale bar and use the color box to change its color. Access the measurement panel, which provides various tools for straightforward measurements. Click the Annotation panel. Select a tool, such as text or shapes, to add annotations to the image. Use the Select button to modify text or shape properties, such as font, size, and color. Thank you for your attention.